Hello cuties! Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make transparent watermark in InShot app. Like this. To this. So let's begin. First open Play Store app and search Pinterest. Download this app. Open this app. Now search Watermark character in black screen. Download which logo you like. Now go to InShot app. Go to blank. Go to cutout. Go to text option and write anything you want. Select font. Then export. Select photo that you downloaded from Pinterest app. Go to cutout option and remove background. And export it. Open blank photo and change background color. Select black color. Now go to pip option and select background removed logo. Again go pip and select name. Now adjust it. Reduce opacity of logo. Export. Let's see how I adjust this transparent watermark logo to video. Go to pip option and select. First selection this logo picture you make. Now go to cutout. Then adjust it. Here is results. If you liked my video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments what topic you want the next video on. Thanks for watching.